Did you know that over 1 million species are at risk of extinction? From majestic tigers to tiny bees, our planet's biodiversity is under threat. But why is this happening, and what can we do to save them? Wildlife faces multiple threats that push them toward extinction. Let's explore the key dangers. Forests and wetlands are being replaced by cities and farmlands, leaving animals without homes. Rising temperatures and unpredictable weather are altering ecosystems faster than species can adapt. Animals like elephants and rhinos are hunted for their tusks, while exotic animals are trafficked across borders. From oil spills to plastic waste, pollution devastates marine and land ecosystems. Why does it matter if we lose a few species? Every organism plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. Losing species disrupts food chains, affects agriculture, and even threatens human survival. While the situation is dire, there's hope. Here's how we can make a difference together. Organizations like WWF and IUCN work tirelessly to protect endangered species. Governments and communities can prioritize reforestation and eco-friendly farming. Switch to renewable energy, reduce waste, and make sustainable choices in daily life. Spread the word through schools, social media, and campaigns to inspire action. Protecting endangered species is a shared responsibility. By taking small steps, we can create a world where wildlife thrives. What will you do to save endangered species? Like, share and subscribe for more content on saving our planet. Together, we can make a difference.